Good morning, students. Today we will see the cat and the painkiller book back exercise. First, just like recapitulation, we'll see Peter's reaction after having the medicine, how it was. There are some points which you still have to understand. Peter sprang a couple of yards in the air and then delivered a war whoop and set off round and round the room, banging against furniture, upsetting flower pots, and making general confusion. Next, he rose on his hind feet and danced around in a frenzy of enjoyment, with his head over his shoulder and his voice proclaiming his happiness. Then he went tearing around the house again, spreading chaos, destruction in his path. Next, how the boy, the treatment is still going on. The boy remained as dismal as a horse, and Polly began to assist the water with a slim oatmeal diet and blister blasters. When she heard of the painkiller, she heard a lot at once. She, she tasted it and it was simply fire in a liquid form. She gave Tom a teaspoonful painkiller and watched with anxiety for the result. Again we will remind the funny sequence between Tom Sawyer and Peter. How it happened. And Peter the cat. Name of the cat Peter. The painkiller became a regular treatment unto Tom Sawyer. It tasted like a liquid fire. Tired of the daily doses, one day Tom feeds a spoonful to the cat Peter, which upon receiving the medicines begins to do somersaults in the airway, spreading chaos, destruction in his path. When Aunt Polly learns that Tom has fed the cat the painkiller, Tom explains for his actions by saying that he done it out of pity for the cat because the cat, hadn't any aunt to bum him out and roast his bowels. Now, let us see the exercises. Meaning, infatuated, inspired with an intense but short-lived passion or admiration for someone or something. Plunges, act of casting or thrusting forcibly or suddenly into something liquid. Quack, your fraudulent or ignorant pretender to medical skill. Professing, claiming often falsely that one has a quality or feeling. Frenzy, a state of uncontrolled excitement. அது இன்னைக்கு மகிழ்ச்சி. Somersault, an acrobatic movement, either forward or backward, in which the body rolls end over end, makes a complete revolution. 45. Extremely frightened. Now, let us see the book back exercise. Tom, the most suitable option. Sorry, choose the most suitable option. Tom was disturbed. Choose the most suitable option. Tom was disturbed because the correct answer is his friendly Becky Thatcher stopped coming to school. Second one, Aunt was an experimenter in trying out new medicines. Third one, Tom used the painkiller to mend the crack on the sitting room floor. Fourth one, Peter sprang a couple of yards in the air as he had a teaspoon of the painkiller. Fifth one, finally Aunt Polly said to Tom that he need not take any more medicine. Next one, identify the character. Identify the character and the speaker. He banged against furniture, upsetting flower pots, making general havoc. Peter the cat. She stood fortified with astonishment, peering over her glasses. And Polly asked, "That is, I believe they do." Tom Sawyer. What has that got to do that with it? Aunt Polly. I done it out of pity for him. Tom Sawyer. Next one. Based on your reading, rearrange the following sentences in the correct sequence. 8 sentences are given. Answers are jumbled up. Read. If you know the story well, you will be able to arrange the jumbled sentence in a correct sequence. Since all her methods failed, finally she gave him a painkiller. He told his aunt that Peter had no aunt, so he gave him the medicine. The painkiller triggered adverse reaction on Peter. He jumped out of the open window. Tom was dull and depressed. This incident upset Aunt Polly and she questioned him. But Tom gave that painkiller to the cat Peter. So Aunt Polly tried different types of remedies on him. Now, the correct answer is first one 3. The painkiller triggered adverse reaction on the Peter. Second one, number 8. So, Aunt Polly tried different types of remedies on him. Take one pencil and start writing or write the correct number. What is first one? What is the second one? Number 5. Number 5. Tom was dull and depressed. Number 6. This incident upset Aunt Polly and she questioned him. Number 1. Since all her methods failed, finally she gave him a painkiller. Number 7. But Tom gave that painkiller to the cat Peter. Fourth one. He jumped out of the open window. Last one. He told his aunt that Peter had no aunt, so he gave him the medicine. Once again, I'll rearrange the sentence. Number 3 is the first one, 8 second one, number 5 is the third one, number 6 is the fourth one, number 1 is the fifth one, number 7, 6, 4, 7, number 2 is the last one. So based on the understanding of the story, write the answers for the following questions. This will be given for you. This will be given for you in a PDF. So you will be able to write the question. But just like a recapitulation, I'll tell you. Why did Tom lose the charm of his life? Tom's friend Becky Thatcher found coming to school, so he lost the charm. Second one, why did Aunt Polly try different remedies on Tom? Tom's aunt wanted to try new medicines of producing health. She was infatuated with patent medicines and an incurable experimenter, so she tried different remedies too. Third one, how did the medicine diminish? This answer is true for three sentences. For you, it will be given easily. Did Tom compel Peter to have the painkiller? No, Tom did not compel the painkiller. Okay. Now, next you can skip out. Now, come to the paragraph. F. Complete the summary of the extract using the appropriate words from the box given. Words are given. You have to complete it from the correct appropriate words. Tom Sawyer felt dejected as Becky Thatcher had stopped coming to school. His Aunt Polly was very concerned about his health condition. So she began to try various remedies on him. The Tom became fed up with his aunt's brand of remedies and pretended to to like the painkiller. He started to ask for it very often, but Tom used the medicine to mend the crack on the floor. One day, Tom gave the painkiller to his aunt's cat. Peter, the name of the cat Peter. The painkiller had an adverse effect on the cat and it started to jump around the room. Aunt Polly entered the room in time to see the cat throw a few somersaults and sail through the open window. She found the teaspoon with a little painkiller sticking to it and knew that Tom had treated the cat with it. She realized that what was cruelty to the cat should be the same to the boy too and stopped giving medicines to him. Next we will see, in the story we find a lot of American slang using of English. Complete the tabular column with standard English. One has been done for you. First one. Finally fit upon. Finally fit upon. Next one. There ain't anything mean about me. There ain't, yes, there isn't anything mean about me. Did I no, don't, did I don't know. Indeed, did means indeed I don't know. Yes, him, that I believe they do. Yes, I am, that is I believe they do. She'd roasted bowl out of me. She'd mean she had a roasted bowl out of me. Oh no, long with you, Tom. Oh, go long. Oh, go along with you, Tom. See, American slang usage of English. You have to write it. How? Ain't is changes into isn't it. Did is changes into indeed. As am is changes into I am. She is changes into she has, etc. She go. Now go to the mind map. You will see the mind map. Complete the mind map based on the inputs from the extract. Becky, number 1. Becky the Thatcher, Tom's friend, had stopped coming to school. Number 2. So Tom became unhappy. Number 3. Aunt Polly was concerned about Tom. 4. She tried all manners of remedies. You can this you can look at your textbook. You have to find out the correct answer. Then only you will be able to you will be awarded the marks. Number 5. Tom pretended to like Peter and asked for it very often. Number 7. The incident. Sorry. One day Tom gave the painkiller to Peter. Tom pretended to like. Number 7. The incidents that followed made his hand fortified. Once again, I'll repeat. Number 1, stop. Number 2, unhappy. Number 3, was concerned. Number 4, all manners of remedies. Number 5, the painkiller. Number 6, the Peter. Number 7, fortified. Now, we will see the role play. How the role play will be done. Role play in your English textbook. The students can you can act, but I am going to tell you the question and answer for this after looking at the picture. There are some facts. Cat. How well did your classmates enact the story? After hearing this, the cat and the pillar, you have to act. Which part did they do well? That you have to answer. Look at the picture. Cat facts. Cat can drink sea water. Did you know? Do you know? உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா? நீ அறிவாயா? பூனை கடல் நீரை பருகும். The rich pattern on a cat's nose is as unique as a human finger point. பூனையின் மூக்கின் கடின வடிவமைப்பு மனிதனின் கைவிரல் ரேகையை போன்று தனித்தன்மை உடையது. Cats won't taste sweet things. பூனைகள் இனிப்பு வகைகளை உண்ணாது. A female cat is called a molly or a tune. ஒரு பெண் பூனை மோலி அல்லது அரசி என அழைக்கப்படுகிறது. 5. Most female cats are right-pawed and most male cats favor their left paws. பெரும்பான்மையான பெண் பூனைகள் வலது முன் பாத பழக்கம் கொண்டதாகவும் பெரும்பாலான ஆண் பூனைகள் அவைகளின் இடது முன் பாதத்தை சாதகப்படுத்துகின்றன. Number 6. Male cats are called toms. ஆண் பூனைகள் டாம்கள் என அழைக்கப்படும். Number 7. Cats can make over 100 vocal sounds. பூனைகள் 100க்கும் அதிகமான குரல்களை ஏற்படுத்தக்கூடியவை. See the cat. You must know about the facts about the cat. Now these are the answers for this. Right? Now how to refer and learn it from this. Last one. Additional. Complete the mind map. Aunt Polly added hot baths sitz baths, shower baths and plunges. She began to assist the water with slim oatmeal diet and blister plasters. He became fed up and she calculated his capacity. She, number 3, she calculated his capacity and filled him up every day with quack, cure, all. Number 4, he became fed up and so he thought over various plans of relief. Once again I'll repeat. He became fed up and so he thought over various plans of relief. Finally, he hit upon the idea of licking painkiller. Finally, he hit upon the idea of licking painkiller. Now, after learning this, they may ask a question like this. Textual answer, question answer, and then complete the summary of the extract using the appropriate words. For slow learners also we will give just like a synopsis. How you have to write means first write the title and then write the name of the author and then the character and then the theme. Theme I told you in the first class. Too much of anything is good for nothing. Self-help is the best, and then cruelty to animal is inhuman. One man's suffering is another man's enjoyment. One's torture is another laughter. Well, like this only you have to write it. Even for in a better way, title The Cat and the Pillar, author Samuel Langford Clement. Pen name is Mark Twain. I told Mark Twain only, but real name is Samuel Langford Clement. Characters Tom Sawyer and Peter the Cat. Theme cruelty to animals is inhuman. Thank you for listening and learn for your test and write the assignments as well as the test.